Hi there. You know what? Google always try to stay up to date with their software, especially with their old device, to minimize their software bugs or glitches. To solve any software issue, Google keeps updating their new firmware update. Well, the software can be up to date in two ways. It can be up to date automatically, or it can be up to date by manually. If you want to do it automatically, then the first work you want to do, you need to open up your Google Pixel Buds application. Once you come over here, scroll down a little, and then you'll be able to see this option called More Settings. Now just go ahead and tap on More Settings from there. You need to choose this option called Firmware Update. Now once you come over here, now if you want to download the software automatically for your Google Pixel Buds A series, then you need to enable this option called Automatic Update. However, if you want to do it manually, then you have to come here each time you want to check it and then tap on here where it says up to date. If you found the new software available over here, then it will give you the prompt where you'll be able to install it manually on your device. Then it will be up to date with your Google Pixel Buds A series. This is pretty much what you guys can do in order to just update your Google Pixel Buds A series manually and automatically at the same time. Hope you find this video useful. If you think so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.